Okay, this is how we're going to make Zero fall over like a tree. This is easy to do. First you need to get a Zero. Zero, come here. Come here. Come here. Alright. And then use the karate chop, the invisible axe. And the invisible axe happens on the back of the head. Like this. Whoop. Whoop. Wait. You have to get the back of the head. Oh. Chop. 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 Timber!